Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. We're going to start here in LATROBE like we often do. Behind me, we've got a Ford Raptor. This one is here for a ceramic coating. Trail's off today, and some of our tint team is out of the shop helping Dean with a flat glass project, a really cool one in Pittsburgh. And Zach is also currently coating another Raptor. This is a Raptor R for our friend Anthony. Very rare, kind of hard to get truck. In front of the Raptor is a Range Rover. This one got paint protection film on parts of the front end, and it's next in line for a coating. Maximus is working on a Porsche Panamera. What'd this get, Max? 4-wrap. Ceramic coating and window tint, right?
Yep.
Awesome. And a V, Blackwing, got some PPF replaced. I believe it was in an accident or something. It was not a warranty issue. It was just film needed put back on the car. In front of that's a Land Cruiser. We've got three of the big Toyota, all three big Toyota SUVs here, all for PPF. So the Land Cruiser got some PPF on the front end, as well as the rocker panels. We call that our track package. And the Sequoia is basically the same thing. In front of the Land Cruiser is a 4Runner, also here for PPF. So maybe Toyota is having a sales event or something on their SUVs, but there's three really nice ones here right now getting PPF. I was just notified it's actually Toyotathon, so that might not be a joke. They're flying off the shelves apparently. Behind the Panamera is the Corvette C8. This is your absolute last chance to get in here to get some tickets for this car. This is going off on Christmas Day. This was not our giveaway. We were just helping Shop with a Cop. They do really awesome things in the community for like underprivileged families and things like that. Do really good stuff, and this is a fundraiser for them. So if you haven't bought a ticket yet, reach out to us. We don't have the tickets anymore. We've given them back to the organization, but I think you could still get some. And behind that is a RAV4. This one was here for an annual inspection. And outside, we don't have any other cars to show you. It's the week before Christmas. It always slows down a bit for us. But if you can visualize with us for a second, there's about to be a new building down there. Construction is starting on Monday. We're adding some more workspace for our ceramic coaters and a second story for some stuff that we desperately need up there. So be sure to follow along with the construction, follow along with what's in the shop, and we will see you next week.
Today, Bryant and I are at the Baronhof Museum in Pittsburgh installing Clearview Plus 70 on the entire backside of the building. They have an extremely hard time keeping the temperatures regulated in the rooms, and it's very important to make sure that the humidity stays at the right place for the preservation of the machines. So we're adding a nice clear film to help keep some of that heat out, make it easier on them, but not affect the view and the gorgeous view that they have out the backside of the building.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Up front, we have a completed full wrap. This got our full body Ultimate Plus paint protection film. The entire full front got our 10 mil PPF. The rest of the vehicle got 8 mil. Once that is done, Mark got his hands on it, and it got an 8-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Next in line for a full wrap and coating is this Mazda 3. This is brand new, fresh from the dealership right to our parking lot. This is getting 10 mil full front clip, 8 mil on the rest of the body, and then a 8-year ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. Next up, we have a Lexus. This got a full wrap about 2.5–3 years ago. We just got a pretty big snowstorm here in Pittsburgh, and the customer's father went to clear off the snow from the door and had a big scratch in the PPF. As you can see, the scratch is no longer there thanks to paint protection film. So it got a hand wash as well, and now it's just a waiting pickup. In Mark's Bay, we got a full stealth wrap in the process of being ceramic coated. This Model Y got full body stealth, and we are now doing an 8-year coating on the entire body, glass, and wheels. In the tint bay, we got Jason working on this Acura RDX. This is getting the 2 front windows 20% to match the factory tint. In the wash bay, we have a Mazda 3. This was in a year ago for a full body paint protection film wrap and a ceramic coating. It's back in the shop this week for a maintenance detail and PPF and coating inspection. Up on the lift is another full wrap. This one a BMW M8. This is getting our 8 mil paint protection film on the entire body. We did tint the windows on this vehicle earlier in the week. It got 20% on the sides and back. And once the PPF guys are done, it's gonna head over to Mark for a 4-year ceramic coating.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today.
As some of you guys saw last week, this Lamborghini Revuelto came in for some PPF touch-ups, and she is done and ready for a customer to pick up, hanging out in the shop looking cool. This rear engine cover area, wherever it's yellow, was replaced due to some weird stains that would not come off. And we did that in one piece in our 72-inch to eliminate the seams that are in these areas and on the top. So this piece is supposed to be done in 4 pieces according to xpel's kit. but we did it in one in our 72-inch for that seamless look. This Polaris Ranger came in for some vinyl work on the front hood and fenders to hide some of this khaki look and make it gloss black. Here we have this Tesla Model S that's in for its annual inspection. Originally received a full body paint protection film, full window tint all around, and a ceramic coating. Alfredo's now finishing up the interior detail on the ceramic booth so that it can go home looking better than what it came in with.
Hey guys, it's Kayla checking in with Sarasota, and today we have an absolute jam-packed day. And by we, I mean me, because this week Troy is up north getting some training done, so it's just me here holding down the fort. Let me show you what I got today. Starting the day off, we have a returning client with a 2026 Kia Sportage. A couple weeks ago, they came in for a window tint in our XR Plus series, and today they're finishing it off with a front windshield tint in 55%. Next, I have a 2011 4Runner in the shop. As you can see, their front windows are really bad. I don't think they can even see out of them, so I'm gonna get this stripped for them and retinted so they can look good, feel good, and see good. 2017 Nissan Altima in. You can see here too, their tint is pretty bad. Looks like we have a snowflake glue pattern, cracking, bubbling. Our tint comes with a lifetime warranty, so any cracking, bubbling, discoloring, anything like that, you can always come in and get it replaced forever and ever. As you can see, I have a lot of work to do today, so if you'll excuse me, I got some windows to strip. Thanks for checking in, and we'll see you next week. Bye!